how's it going? I'm Amanda from Amanda Around the Globe, and today I'm so excited to make a big announcement, and the announcement is that I am beginning a 2-week minimalism video series. So I am making 2 weeks worth of videos for you guys on everything to do with minimalism. There will be a video coming out every single day, very similar to my money saving series, which went over very well with you guys. It was very well received. Thank you guys for all of your support on that. I did that a while ago, but you guys really loved it. If you haven't seen the money saving series, I'll link that down below and maybe up here. So the minimalism series is going to be 2 weeks of videos, a video coming out every single day, and we are going to cover so many topics. There's going to be videos on organizing and decluttering, physical and non-physical spaces, so closets, makeup, bathroom, kitchen, all of that stuff. And also your tech, your social media, all of this stuff. There's going to be worksheets that go along with some of the videos. There is going to be a section on morning and night routines, and also sections on how to always keep your spaces clean. That rhymes. Tips on how to stop impulse shopping. I might even end off the series with a new updated video of my minimalism story, because last time I made that video was like over 2 years ago, and I'm actually wearing the same shirt that I was wearing in that video. So yeah, this is a great shirt. So this video is just an announcement to let you guys know what's coming. I hope you're as excited as I am, because I am freaking stoked. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I've actually gotten a lot of requests to do it, but I've just never had the time until now. So if you guys are excited, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. And if you want to make sure you see all of the videos, hit the little bell notification by the subscribe button, and you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. That's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the first video of the minimalism series. I hope you have a great day and get excited. Bye!